All right, so I wanted to talk a little bit today about the Jake Blank bottle stopper mold. So what is it? It's, well, first off, let me explain what a bottle topper is, or a bottle stopper is this thing right here. It goes into your wine or your liquor bottle. I make a lot of them and I sell them at craft shows. I do pretty well with those things. I'll show you another one. Here's one in green. So that's a green bottle topper. But First off, let me say that I am not sponsored by Jake. I'm not an affiliate. This is just something that I think is really awesome. And if you're a wood turner and you're looking to get into resin casting to make bottle toppers or pens or whatever, Jake Blanks, he makes really good stuff. He casts them by hand. And I will put a link down in the description on where to find these things or where to buy these things. So you just pour your resin in, you put your mold release in, you pour your resin in, and then you get these little blocks like this. And let me sorry, I don't know where the camera is on my phone. I always look off into the distance. I'm supposed to be looking over, I don't know, but I don't want to go on a tangent. But this mold is pretty awesome. I highly recommend it if you're looking to get into resin casting and you're a wood turner. Bottle toppers are an easy gateway to get into that. So I would strongly recommend getting something like this, especially from Jake Blanks. He's a small business and he makes awesome stuff. So that is it. Thanks for watching. And how do I turn this thing off?